Hi everyone, today I'm going to be opening Donruss Elite Retail Blaster. There's 24 cards in this box. One blaster exclusive Aspiration Shimmer or Static Explosion. I'm pretty sure these are guaranteed to be numbered. There's blaster exclusive green discos. And here are the hits. I'll show you guys more after we open the box. So yeah, let's see what we get today. I'm hoping we can get some good rookies before 2025 sets come out. This is my first time opening Elite. So first pack starting off the box. Starting off, we got a full Throttle Derrick Henry. We got a numbered card right here. 299 Brenden Rice. Rookie. Okay, that's not bad. We got Nico Collins, Tyler Aguilar. That was a good first pack. Where's my sleeves? First pack big hit. There's our number card. It's a pretty nice card. Second pack. See what we get. We got Isaiah Pacheco with a disco. Devontae, Jalen Hurts, and Chris Long. So these are the disco parallels, which they look pretty cool. Right there. Third pack. I actually have this card, Spellbound Christian McCaffrey. I actually have this card, which is actually super cool. We got Micah Hyde. Go Bills. Evan Ingram. Got a kicker. Boo. Next pack. We got Elite. Foil Ukulum. Not the number right there. Jeremiah Trotter Jr. What's the disco? Got Jordan Love and Raheem Mostert. Raheem Mostert actually went to the Raiders. Pretty insane what happened to this pack. Goodness. Upside down pack. We have another Christian McCaffrey Spellbound right there. So we got another numbered card. Isaac Guerendo right there. Rookie blue, numbered out of 875. Another number card. That's not bad. Take that. Cameron Jordan, Matthew Stafford. Got our last pack of Elites. Let's see what we can get. We got Antonio Gates for the disco. Emmitt Smith. Micah Parsons. So here's a recap what we got. Got Antonio Gates. Got my Trotter Jr. Elite. Isaiah Pacheco. Full Throttle Derrick Henry. And then our big hits. Right there, a numbered card. Spellbound Christian McCaffrey. Another Spellbound Christian McCaffrey, and then our another number card. So comment down below what you guys think we got the best card. Honestly, this Brenden Rice card, low numbered, good. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. Adios. Short video.